Hello friends on YouTube. You saw me in a video before with my alter ego doing this haircut. It was long and now it's a symmetrical hairstyle. I told you that because it was a way to do it yourself at home. To show you how to do that yourself. It was the first time I cut my long hair as alter ego, also into a symmetrical line. And I believe me, it was a very naughty experience, but also very nice experience, because I never realized how it gives you emotions when you cut off your own hair, and it certainly gave me that. Though it was a wig, I had the same experience as I think you will have when you have long hair and you cut it off. My alter ego didn't have a haircut since then, so now I'm gonna control it as a hairdresser. And I'm gonna cut it so you can see what kind of difference I can make on this. And then who did sharing the videos on Facebook, and maybe this one for, let me tell you, a week. Then I'll give this wig away to someone, and I hope she will be pleased with it, because I think it's a feminine wig. But nobody knows, maybe there's also guys who want to have this wig. So just give it away. I will let somebody choose someone out of the list, and then I'll send it to you, because I will ask you your address, and then it will be yours. But first, let me check as a hairdresser and control it. What went wrong, or what didn't went wrong with doing your hair itself. And I think this belongs to the most hardest hairstyles there is, a asymmetrical hairstyle. So let's start by wetting the hair. Wet the hair. Let's see what went wrong, what not went wrong. Take the hair from the holy bone in front of the ear, take it between your fingers and turn it to the other way around, and then see the difference in length. Hold this part straight down, and then you see you have an asymmetrical line that's almost good, because the front is a little bit too long, but this will certainly look good on somebody. So what I'm going to do is, starting on the shortest side, and it's a bit hard in a wig, so don't part over the skin, you just softly lifting up the hairs and pin them away. So I only get the underlines. You never get this that straight as you get on real hair and real persons, but you can certainly see what's going on. So you just pin them away. And let's start at the front. Make sure the wig is nice, strong, and fasten on in this case the doll, or otherwise on a person. And I'll do this with a hot razor, because I think the damage on hair is always less with a hot tool. Now the tool is hot enough. Lay the hairs in the rounding, so softly starting on the beginning, and just gently go down. Knowing this is a jumpy hair effect, so this wig is a bit a jumpy wig. You see there's not much coming off. Stay working in the same line. So make sure you have the rounding that you need to get in a wonderful asymmetrical line. Go back over the same line. control the line. If it is connected, and go back to the first line. Take out the clip, take only the hair on top and pin that away. Lay the hair again in the same roundings. Soften the line to the front. Making sure I have all the hairs in it. Then go to the front again and go into the asymmetrical line. And you can see there's not much wrong on the hairstyle this wig has, because it was already being cut very nicely, although my alter ego did it himself. But you see, as a hairdresser, it's very easy for me, when it would be normal hair, to make a wonderful hairstyle of it, knowing I get a jumpy effect. I just make the underlines a little bit lighter and go with the tip of the knife into the curves, so I get that real funky effect. Going to the last part of the short line. Again, laid on the lines, hold it a bit off the skull shapes, so get it in angle. Take your knife flat and just soften the line. Coming to the front, again just with the tip and with a flat knife, make it into a nice soft line. You can see now the shapes becoming very nicely. And the fall is beautiful. So now I can go to the longer part. Start by lifting up the upper hairs and take a little bit of the line of the ears. Set the front aside. So this is the line of the ears. And this is the line of my hair. Take the hairs down, knowing that the underline is already cut, so I can see it here. Go in from behind and just gently soften the line. Because this is the hair that's laying on the height of the ear, it may be a bit thinner at the end, otherwise you have a lot of hair hanging on this beautiful long side. So just soften the lines. The length was okay, that I already showed you. But now I take a little bit away of the weight. Watch at the fall. Take another line on it. comb the hairs. Again, go in with my flat knife, thin the hairs, not taking off a lot of the length, don't need to. You can hear the strong hair. Watch if the lines connect to each other, like they do. Going to the last part, comb it again. Now you can see that this is also a very thick line. Just a lot of hair hanging in this line, so I just go in, take a little bit away of the weight, holding my length. Go in the opposite line of the chin line. Take the hairs off the back with it. First thin it out a bit, and then connect the lines to each other. Watch at the volume. Now you see the total feeling of hair is a little bit lighter. So now I can style the hair. I can show you how wonderful this wig is, and now it looks like real hair. So now I give it style. Okay, I changed my doll. Only thing I use on wigs is Dirty Angel. It's a Barber product, but it gives a little bit health, but also a lot of volume, so you get crazy hairstyles with it. And you see how much volume it has. I saw how easy it is for a hairdresser to restyle this hair. So that was the main thing. Now this wig, it can be yours. Share it on Facebook. I set the line where you can find it on Facebook, and you can share it among your friends, and one of those will be chosen to get this wig. I send it certainly to you. Thank you for watching. Till next time. Bye bye.